How to play Roblox on school Chromebook Unblocked. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to play Roblox on the school Chromebook Unblocked. Open your web browser and search for Roblox. Visit the official Roblox website and sign in to your account. Select any game you'd like to play. Click the play button to launch the game. If needed, proceed with downloading or installing the app. Open the robloxplayer.exe file that was downloaded through your browser. When prompted, click Run to start the installation. Once the installation is complete, click OK to confirm. Finally, click Join below to start playing. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.